Hello everyone. In this session, we will see the application of Laplace transform to solve differential equation. So it says solve the differential equation d2x by dt square plus 6 dx by dt plus 9x equal to sine t for t greater than equal to 0. So we have to solve it using the Laplace transform. So this is second order derivative, first order derivative, and this is x. There are certain initial conditions also provided, like x of 0 is equal to 0 and x dash of 0 is also equal to 0. That makes it easier. If you want, we can directly apply this, and I'll tell you, since x of 0 and x dash of 0 are all 0, can we directly write that the second order derivative will have function as s squared times of x of s? Of course, we are considering x of s is the Laplace transform of x of t. Similarly, can we directly say that this 6 times of dx dt will have 6 s x of s? This 9x will have 9 times of x of s, and this sine t will have 1 by s square plus 1. Right? We can directly get this because these two are 0. So in this case, taking x of s common, we will have x of s equal to 1 by s square plus 1, and from the other side we will have 1 by, this is s square plus 6s plus 9. This is actually s plus 3 whole square. So we can also write it as 1 by s square plus 1 into s plus 3 square. If we are trying to find the partial fraction for this, please try doing this. I am telling the components we will have. First of all, we will have a s plus b by s square plus 1, because the one which we have in denominator cannot be factorized much or more than this. So s square plus 1 being second order, we will have the coefficients as as plus b, and other than that, this s plus 3 is having second order, so it will be c by s plus 3 and d by s plus 3. So either you can multiply, cross multiply, and compare the coefficients from this part, and whatever method you are convenient with, you can find this coefficients, and we can directly write what we will have. So this is going to be x of s equal to minus 3 by 50 times of s by s square plus 1 plus 2 by 25 into s square plus 1 and 3 by 50 for 1 by s plus 3 and plus 1 by 10 for s plus 3 whole square. Right? Of course, you can find these coefficients I'm skipping this part, this small part. We are skipping this small part. Now we can apply the Laplace inverse to find the values. So it is x t is equal to, the first term is s by s square plus 1. This is going to be the cos omega t function. So we will get minus 3 by 50 cos t, because omega is equal to 1 here. Next is 1 by s square plus 1. So this 1 by s square plus 1 comes from the sine function. So this is 2 by 25 and this is sine t. Next is very simple, 3 by 50. So this 1 by s plus 3 will have e to the power of minus 3t, and next is second order, so it will have t times of this. This will become 1 by 10 t into e to the power of minus 3t. So this is the solution we will get.